Hello, may I help you? Do you need to rent a car? Do you have a reservation? All right, I'll see what we have available. Would you like a subcompact, compact, mid-sized, or luxury car? Would you like to rent a minivan? I can give you a good deal on a minivan. I have a minivan ready. Would that be all right? I'm sorry, I don't have that available. Well, if you're renting for a week or more, I would recommend our unlimited mileage plan. Would you like our unlimited mileage plan? You pay a flat rate for the week, and you can drive as much as you want. You can also drop off the car at any of our agencies nationwide. You'll start off with a full tank of gas. Try to fill it up just before you drop off the car, because we charge more than a regular gas station. Have a nice trip. Sign here, please. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?